You can see a significant increase of Power Automate flows. Our users use it daily, and we can really see that a lot of users started creating their Power Automate flows, and a lot of use cases have been automated which have been performed manually before. Before we started with the Power Automate for Everyone project, we basically only had certain types of users who had access to Power Automate Flow. Those users were specially trained, and only them had the possibility to create Power Automate flows for their colleagues or for their entities. So the access was very limited.
When starting our collaboration with Endress+Hauser, we first identified that there were over 2,000 automations already developed that we had to take care of on the one side. And on the other side, we of course had a vision on where we wanted to drive the Microsoft Power Platform. So we had to find a good common solution on how to deal with the legacy solutions and how to infuse them in our future concept.
To make sure that change management doesn't stop after the end of the project, we made sure to create a community where people could exchange and help each other. And for that, we created the Power Automate for Everyone community,
where all our users can ask questions regarding Power Automate Flow or in general to the usage of the platform.
From a milestone perspective, we see a huge spike in adoption since we went live with the Power Automate for Everyone flow when it comes to develop flows, but on the other side also when it comes to community growth.
So on the long run, we plan to implement more and more Power Platform tools and make them available for our users. I'm excited to see how fast the Power Automate for Everyone community is growing.